Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access special features. Now tap on simple mode at the bottom and then select enter simple mode. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on settings again, but this time select exit simple mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!